Hello folks, welcome back to the singing Clockery and a new clock video. And let me tell you folks, I am really excited about this one. This has been something I've been looking for maybe the last 2 years. And it is a small mantel clock made sometime in the late 1920s, made by the Kienzle clock company out of Germany. Kienzle at this point is probably one of my favorite clock makers from the 20s. They made clocks that are robust, keep reasonably good time, but most importantly for me in particular, they sound amazing. And they have this thing that they do where they sound so much bigger than they actually are. And this one is a case in point. So this one chimes Westminster. It has a really interesting mechanism where the Westminster chime hammers are actually operated via a wire lift mechanism, which you'll see in a moment. And it just sounds absolutely gorgeous. So here it is, and enjoy.